But we do have we have a new feature that I'm bringing on this week called the app rehash. And this is a little ditty where we've reviewed an app previously, but it's been a while and there's some new stuff going on. And so you are not really going to get a lot of good stuff out of the old review. So we're bringing it back. And for right now, we're just going to be doing like one of these a week for each of us, whoever's doing the review, but kind of keep things fresh instead of, just letting all this stuff go to waste.
Yeah. Cool.
And this week I have a perfect example of an app rehash. We're gonna dig back to episode number 1.
Whoa!
That's right.
Going old school.
The first episode that we did, I reviewed Twidroyd.
Yes.
Or Twidroyd. I think back then we had the debate. I don't care. I call it Twidroyd. But now they've changed the name and added a Y. And
why?
Because they want to be cool, I guess. I don't know. So the alternative spelling kills me. But this is Twidroyd Pro. It has a lot of the. Yeah, go ahead.
I think I know why they changed it to a Y, because they were going to get sued by the Droid people, LucasArts.
Oh.
So they had to change it to a Y.
No way.
Yo, seriously, they go nuts.
Wait, what? They changed it to TRY?
DROYD.
Oh, yep, exactly. That's what it is.
Yeah.
They are ruthless with that.
They are.
Which they should be, because it's brilliant.
I don't know. Well, I mean, I guess they're charging for it. But it's Twidroyd. It's not Twid space droid. I don't know.
Yeah.
Lame
Indeed.
Brilliant.
But the interface is similar to what we were looking at before when we reviewed it, but they have changed some things. They changed the menu so that there's less clutter in there, and a lot of the extras are over here on this other button that you hit.
Little pop-up.
Yeah, and this is very reminiscent of the new Twitter app, the official Twitter app for Android, the way that all this stuff is set up on here. And in fact,
which is free.
Yes, which is free. Yeah, this bad boy here I think is it's $3.99.
Oh, that's not free.
No. But there is a free version, but it only handles one account, and you get limitations on what sort of URL shorteners you can use. But here's the really cool thing that's worth bringing this app back up. You turn it sideways.
No way.
And you get some sort of iPad-like action.
A dual pane kind of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So especially if you have an Android tablet, this is going to be really nice, or the bigger screens. But you go through your timeline right here, and whenever you come across something like, here's the Droid guy, he's always linking to stuff.
Click it.
It uses Google's magic stuff to go scan the page and reformat it for mobile. And you can read through it here.
So it just reformats the entire page in mobile?
Yeah. Like anything does, if you what is it? You can set the setting on your Google search results so that if you're on your phone and you click through to a link, it'll reformat the web page. And this basically does the same thing. So if you consume a lot of news through Twitter, then this is really perfect for you, because you can skim right here through your line, skim through the story, and just click through and read all this stuff in really an instant. So it just makes it just I can't believe I just showed a picture of Justin Bieber on here.
The Bieber.
Have you guys tried yeah. Like this French spelling. Do you like it?
Twitter?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you call it?
It's all right. I think we just call it Tweeter.
Tweeter? That's what my mom calls it.
What you do. I like to say it with a French accent. It's fun.
Have you tried the Twitter?
But only a sleazy French accent.
It's delicious on duck.
Yeah.
So, and this has the cool mechanic too of you can customize this. Like you'll notice, I have multiple accounts on here.
Yeah.
And normally when you're scrolling up and down, you'll see these two little arrows appear on each side of the screen to switch accounts.
Yeah.
But I turn those off because I hate them. And you just swipe like that, and it'll switch between. Like this is the Android App Show.
That is pretty cool.
This is my personal one, And I don't ever use this. I'm not sure who would, but it'll actually combine all your accounts you have in here into a
genius.
super feed.
I love that.
So
I want that.
but these are the
Uh-oh. Cops are coming for you guys.
yeah.
They are.
whoop.
It's pretty dangerous around here in Jackson.
This happens like every 3 or 4 months. Like
Well, every other show almost.
there you go.
Yeah.
But
It's the neighbors. They always shoot people.
and where do they get stuff like
Nice.
this? 1 in 4 Americans would use an Android tablet. Really? Sure, if you gave me one.
Yeah.
But all
I have
your
some thoughts on Android tablets that I'll talk to you later about.
Yeah. That'll be on the tech show.
all your
Gross.
like your at links and direct messages and searching and stuff is down here on the bottom, and a quick shortcut to actually tweet or to refresh. I turned this off, but it comes with a shake to refresh, so that if you wanted to refresh your timeline, you could just shake the phone.
That's awkward.
It's kind of gimmicky for me, but
Yeah.
I mean, whatever. And of course, the last thing I should mention is if you download it, it won't look exactly like this. At least not the Pro version or the regular version, for that matter.
Ooh, it's skinnable.
It comes blue, yes, and they have not downloadable skins, but skins that are in the settings for the Pro version.
That's cool.
Nice.
Can you
Okay.
customize it?
No, that would be cool.
Mm.
I think it's under display options, choose skin. They just have a bunch of different colors. I like the black. So.
Nice.
But brown, really? I don't know.
It's aviator black too,
Yeah,
which goes with
that's
your
how
last
you know
app.
it's pimp.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you know. Which, by the way, I mean, you look at this phone. I mean, you can't even hardly tell from where the screen ends and where the black is. Right
Yeah, I
there.
know. That's crazy.
I mean, these Super AMOLED screens are nice for black.
The blackness never ends.
So, yeah, Twidroyd Pro. Check
Agreed.
it out on the market. That's the app rehash for this week.